Hey everyone, stuck on matchmaking in Mobile Legends Bang Bang? If your game is taking forever to find a match or seems frozen, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you are using a stable network. If you are on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. If using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi or vice versa. You can also turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off to refresh your network. Next, clear the game cache. Go to your phone settings, the apps, app management or manage apps, depend on your phone model. Then find Mobile Legends game from the list. Then storage and tap on clear cache. This often resolves minor bugs without deleting your game data. If the problem continues, restart the game. Close Mobile Legends from the background and relaunch it. Restarting your phone can also help clear temporary issues. Another trick is to try matchmaking in a different mode. Open the game and tap on mode in below of your screen. And if ranked or classic isn't working, try a brawl or custom match to see if the issue is specific to one mode. Finally, check if the servers are experiencing downtime. You can visit platforms like Down Detector or check Mobile Legends official social media for updates. That's it. Following these steps should get you back into the game. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the land of down.